Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show how to remove Audi Q7 Headrest, updated. Start by reclining the seat slightly and locating the two release buttons at the base of the headrest posts. Press both release buttons firmly while pulling the headrest straight up and out with steady pressure. If resistance remains, tilt the seat forward and wiggle gently while applying upward force to free the headrest safely. Use a thin trim tool or flat screwdriver wrapped in cloth to protect trim when needed. For electric seats, disconnect battery before deeper disassembly to avoid airbag issues. Keep headrest posts aligned and store removed headrest on a soft surface to prevent scratches and dirt. If clips are stubborn, apply penetrating lubricant sparingly and work the clip with small movements. Test reinstallation. Common issues include stuck headrests from debris or bent posts that require straightening. Inspect the release buttons for broken springs and replace if they fail to snap back. When aftermarket covers restrict movement, remove covers before attempting removal and check for hidden fasteners or Velcro that may be holding the headrest in place. Also consider consulting the owner's manual for model variations and safety warnings, and if unsure, seek professional help to avoid seat damage or personal injury.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.